So number 5. So each arrow on the map below represents an air mass. Red represents warm air and blue represents cool air. Based on what we've learned about air masses and where they form, either on land or over water, near the poles or near the tropics, label 1 through 6 as either maritime tropical, continental tropical, maritime polar, or continental polar. So some of these are going to be used multiple times. So I'll do number 1 with you guys. So we're going to scroll down to the map here, and we're going to locate number 1. Okay, so it's a blue arrow. So that's our first clue, that it is going to be cool air. So we already can narrow that down. It's going to be a polar air mass and not a tropical. Your tropical ones are probably going to be down here with the warm air. Okay, so then we look at our cool arrow here for cool air. And is it forming over land or is it forming over water? So it's forming over the ocean here, the Pacific Ocean. Your Atlantic Ocean is on the other side over here. Okay, so then we put those two things together. So that means it's going to be maritime polar. Maritime because it's forming over the ocean, and polar is because it's forming over, it's bringing cool air from the poles. Okay, so then you go up to the line here and we'll type in maritime polar. And you're definitely going to use them multiple times. So it's okay if you get the same answer for a few of the numbers. Okay, good luck.